Welcome back, all programmers. Well, today in this HOE-9 hand-on experiment 9, we are going to make a program, Python program. This is also a simple program, fundamentals. So in this one, we are going to input principal, rate, and time, and we will print a simple interest payable, right? So in this one, principal can be either entered in integer or float. Rate can also be entered in either integer or float. Okay, time can also be. So let us start. I am going to take a variable p for principal. I am inputting here in integer value money here. Yeah, so with input, I am writing here enter principal amount. Principal amount. Okay, amount. Okay, so I'm going to write here principal. See this typing. Okay, principal amount, and I'm going to give you a same thing here, a prompt. It should look like a prompt. Okay, so again I'm going to take here R for rate. Rate is equal to, again I'm going to write here integer typecasting, and then again input. Okay, then here I am going to ask a prompt here that enter rate. Okay, so rate is to be entered. Done. Then again I'm going to take here time. I'm going to write t time equal to, again I'm going to ask from user. uh, uh, Generally we are going to enter time in terms of year, 3 year, 5 years, 6 years, like that. Is it okay? So time, again I'm taking integer. You can take float according to a specific question. So since here specific questions and format is not there, so I'm taking this integer that can be taken according to question wise. Okay, so I'm going to take here input. Okay, then I'm writing here enter time. Okay, so in this one user is going to enter time, how many years, something like that. Okay, so I'm going to write here uh, this time, and let me make this enter. Okay, done. So now what is what is simple interest? P into R into T by 100, that you might be knowing about that. So I'm going to write here SI for simple interest equal to, I am writing here P into, okay, rate into, then again time, p into r into t, and then I'm going to write here divided by 100. So I am going to make that in decimal, answer is going to come. It's okay, no problem is that. That's why I'm not going to do any float division here. Okay, so I'm going to write here print. I am going to write here total amount payable as simple interest is, and it is coming from here SI, is it? And one more, I'm writing print total amount payable, is it? First one is total amount payable as simple interest, is it? And then I'm going to write here print total amount payable. Total amount payable. Okay, then in this one, total amount payable, then in this one what is going to come? Your principal amount plus simple interest is going to come. See, I am writing here principal amount plus simple interest. Okay, so now I'm going to save this program and let's run this program. Let's see what is going to happen. So I'm going to run. Okay, so it is asking me here enter the principal amount. So I'm going to write enter the principal amount. Since I do not have any specific data here particularly, you can take any question from maths and try to find it out, figure it out. I'm taking here 3000. Okay, and I'm going to rate here, right? I'm writing here rate, let's suppose 5% per annum, is it? And time I'm going to write here for 5 years, let's suppose. Total amount payable as a simple interest is what? 750 rupees, and total amount payable that is being added here, you see. And since it 00 is coming, because in this programming you see here, this one is division what we have taken here by 100, that is going to bring result in terms of float. Decimal value will also come, right? Okay, correct. So if you want to print simple interest in form of integer, then here you change the format, you write here integer, and then again you just convert it Here also this p plus si I want to write in terms of integer, then you can have a typecast here. So according to question format you make these all conversions, okay, typecasting. So again I'm going to run the program. You see same question again I am running here. So amount is what, 3000 rupees, and it's for 5 year, and again 5% rate interest. So you just check it out. In this one it is printing 750 as a simple interest and 3750 as total outstanding amount payable. One is you see with decimal part and another one you see only in integral part, right? So now I hope you are understanding now fundamentals, how to type, how to write expressions. Okay, all right, so try it. Okay, remember, learn now or fail later. See you next.